It is 1:32, and I'm just sitting here listening to music, and I'm just like, I should appreciate having this free time, because, you know, just appreciate having free time. It's 8:49, I'm taking out the trash, and then we're leaving for the beach. Oh my gosh, it smells like honeysuckle. It smells so good outside right now. It's interesting being outside before it's extremely hot. Like right now, there's a nice little cool breeze in the air. But the sun definitely be sunny. Even though I just smelled dumpster. But yeah, Mom and I are taking a trip to Cape May today. Just the two of us. Bubba's already down there, I think. Well, that was a fail. We're going down our little beach day because Mom loved a week-long trip so much that she wanted to have a nice day, you know? And I'm excited. I'm very excited. Literally, as soon as we got home, Mom was like, I want to go back to Cape May. And so, we're doing it, right, Mom?
Right.
Yay. The first time in forever, I've actually opened the car door and been like, ew, it's cold in the car. Because it's in the shade at the moment. Huh? No, it's cold in the car at the moment. You're so fluffy. Oh, you're so fluffy.
A classic.
It's a classic, yeah. It'd be 9:30 and we got Starbucks and I was watching my GG video again. It's 12:03, we're at Cape May. I need to take this out because the back fell out. I'm really annoyed about that.
About what?
These backs stink to these earrings.
Oh, especially when you're doing ear loops constantly.
Mm-hmm.
You know, putting your face mask on, that is.
Yeah, so it came out when I was sleeping, so I had to go home and find it. It literally just happened the other night with the other ear, so. Woo. So let's just pray my hole doesn't close. It literally happened with this ear, like the second hole for this ear the other night. Ooh, nice breeze, thank God. I am sweating. Oh, look, there it is. Yay! Oh, yay! Oh.
You know, you're the Superman.
Bubba.
Yep.
The first time I've ever seen it empty. Even in here's empty. There's some people. Where am I going? I forget. Found it. I guess as soon as I stopped filming, I found it. I was like, oh yeah, duh. I'm super excited to be here. I'm very happy we're here. And I was just excited to be here with my mommy, and it's fun having like a little mommy-daughter day. But I will say I do miss G and my fam. But I'm still having a super fun time. Cheese! Yay!
Pretty tasty.
It's a beautiful day.
I ate a lot more than you.
ice cream. Yay! Mom's gonna get some Ben & Jerry's. Whoop. She's got a bullhorn. Mom's getting ice cream at Ben & Jerry's. I'm just waiting outside for her. Whew, it's hot. We're gonna go to the beach now. We're here. Walking to the beach. Doo, 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 doo. It's 1:56. Doo, 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 doo. 2:02. We're at the beach. My book's getting better, which I'm very excited about. We're having a lovely day on the beach. Yay. I can't even see. Oh my god. No. I was filming the sun, but I couldn't see it because it's blinding. But we're gonna go back in the water. Yay. Ugh. Can't even. I don't know those people. I only know squints. Squints a lot. Squinty squints. I was sitting here and I was bored on my phone. I'm like, how about I like remembered my books literally in my backpack. So I was like, how about instead of sitting here bored, why don't I just, read, which I love. I was also before this looking at Horror Night pictures, and then I was just scrolling through Instagram. I don't know, my thoughts got stirred up by a drama account. But yeah, I just can't with the world. And then I read an amazing post by Will Smith, and now I'm gonna read. I'm extremely happy to report that my book got much more entertaining. See, I made this whole rant yesterday about like why I don't give up on books, and this is exactly why, because it actually got really good and really cute. So yeah, I'm very happy about that, because this book was boring the crap out of me, and that's why sometimes I just have to sit down and make myself read, because I will avoid a book and then I'll be like, why did I not just keep reading? I wasted all this time not reading it and it actually got cute. And that's what I did with this book. I wasted a lot of time not reading it and it actually did get cute. I'm almost at 200 pages. That's fun. We have a nice view of the tower as we eat dinner. Dee-dee. Dinner time. I think they're more about Kate than yeah. Where you said? Ah. Oh, puppies. Oh, she's out there.
Look, they don't have them. None. Zero. Zip. None. Just took a day trip. Okay. We don't have a place. I would love it.
Yay! Look how pretty the sky is.
Alright, is it off?
Should be out of focus. Oh, look, my little fountain. Wow, look, the line's out the door now.
Wow.
Pink, pink, pink sky. Oh, look, the tour's here, Mom. Mom's eating ice cream. Sitting next to her. Oh, I don't think we've sat over here since it's been remodeled. My feet hurt. My legs. It's 8:59 and Mom and I stopped at the bathrooms before we started to drive home. And this man was coming like towards me, and it's like, you know, it's not where people are. So I put my phone to my ear and I start talking like I'm having a conversation. Hello. Thank you.
Super cute you are.
Thank you. We were saying how cute this dress is and how we're happy I didn't know I was supposed to wear it like this. And like I feel like it doesn't look as I didn't know I was supposed to wear it off the shoulders. I feel like it looks cuter off the shoulders. So we're both very happy I made sure to bring this dress for this trip.
I think I just got attacked by mosquitoes.
Ooh, fun. Oh my god, this kid has a hoverboard. Gosh, I thought those were extinct. But yeah, we were both saying how happy I am that I brought this dress because it's really pretty and really cute. It reminds me of Epcot.
The only thing I didn't do that I kind of
9:07, we headed home. We love you, Kate May. Ooh. That was Kate May saying love you too. On 4th of July. This sky is so pretty. I saw a shooting star. And on the way here, we had a Descendants, High School Musical, Greatest Showman, marathon of songs, and now we're having a Disney Jam sesh. Woo! It's 11:36. We're home, and I finally got the back of my earring. Yay! Mom's showering, so I'm reading, and then when she's done, I'm gonna go shower. Then we're just gonna like watch TV. We were jamming to Disney songs the entire ride home. It was very fun jamming to Disney songs all the way home. Good time, good time, good time. But literally today was so much fun. I'm so blessed to have such a good day with my mommy, and I'm so blessed to have such an awesome mommy. And I love her, and I love today, and today was so fun. And I'm so tired. My legs are like so sore. Oh my gosh.